Today we are going to talk about an Italian stock which is a buy right now, in my opinion. Welcome back to a new video. I am the Italian investor and today we will talk about an Italian stock. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a like if you like this type of videos. It's absolutely super important for me. Thank you if you will. The stock we're talking about today is MONCLER. This one is very interesting because the valuation has reached the all-time low. The price-earnings ratio is at around 20, which is very close to the low of the past 10 years of 19. But the interesting part is that we have some pretty interesting catalysts for the stock to rise. First of all, let's start by saying that the stock is basically flat in the past 4 years and is now down 30% from its highs. This is very weird because the company keeps on improving. Revenues are growing, EBIT is growing, net income is growing, EPS is growing, so the company is getting better. And as you know, if you watched my previous videos, recently luxury companies are suffering a lot, but MONCLER keeps on posting good results. They are still growing even in 2024. And then we got the catalyst I was talking about before, which is Bernard Arnault is buying shares. He is the founder and CEO of LVMH and he likes the company. He said he's not interested in buying the whole company, but he always says that. He never say, I wanna buy it all. He usually starts by buying a little bit and then he keeps going and then never stops until he buys the whole damn company. And it would not be too hard for him to buy the whole MONCLER because the market cap is not that huge, 12 billion euros, but mostly because the CEO owns only 15% of the company. So it would be pretty easy for Bernard Arnault to do an hostile acquisition of MONCLER. But now let's look at the numbers. As you can see, revenue growth has been really impressive and the EBIT margin is extremely high. As you can see, in the last 12 months it was 30%. This is one of the highest levels in the luxury sector. Also, EPS growth has been absolutely impressive, and the company's financial ratios are really good. Return on capital in the past 12 months was 23%. MONCLER recently acquired Stone Island, and they are changing the business model of the company. One of the main focuses of MONCLER was DTC. They are reducing wholesale and pushing and betting everything on DTC, and they are doing the same thing on Stone Island. They still have a lot of work to do. Furthermore, Stone Island is still underdeveloped in Asia, while MONCLER is underdeveloped in the US. Therefore, there are many opportunities for the company to grow. Probably in the next few years, in the next 5 years, we can expect the company to grow revenues around 10 to 15% per year. Once this luxury crisis is gonna go away, and it's gonna be probably pretty soon, I would bet on 2026, this company is gonna grow a lot, probably more than LVMH, Kering, and other luxury companies. So keep this stock in your watch list and perhaps try to analyze it because it's really, really interesting. My favorite stock right now, probably. I really like the catalyst and the fact that Bernard Arnault is buying shares. This means the company is actually very good. Let me know what you think about it. Please type a comment and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a like. See you next time. Bye!